Welcome, spring. You are my honored guest. Fresh soil, dark and wet, creating brightest green of year. O spring, I gather your old clothes, the leaves, the twigs, the breeze, to feed and grow the new beginnings. You make your garments with green leaves, adorned with flowers. Bees are flying. O spring, the power of new life, strong thunderstorms approaching, the rains, the winds, the sun, the growing wonder of it all. Green trees and dance of birds, and we, the gardeners, triumphant, holding spade, we dream the future blooms and break that winter soil. And so it all begins.